Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Lifestyle, lifestyle, lifestyle. Mammee Bay Estate is the only gated community near Ocho that is on the sea with private villas. Homeowners have access to the beach club with restaurant, bar, and beach volleyball, and 2,500 feet of powdery white sand beach. This prime location is less than 10 minutes to Ocho 90 kilometers to Montego Bay Airport, 80 kilometers to Kingston via the North Coast Highway. This property offers a myriad of opportunities for an investor with 12 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, can be easily transitioned into a modern serene guest house. Our homeowners looking to bring it to its modern glory. It has great potential based on the land space of just under 1 acre. Well-fruited yard coupled with a large lawn are bonus points that easily allowed for much outdoor space to be utilized. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $200 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.